How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. This tutorial shows you how to export your Messenger data to check if your deleted messages can still be retrieved. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, tap on Settings at the top of that menu. Right here, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Account Center. Next up, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Moving on, tap on Export Your Information. This will open up in an in-app browser. From here, tap on Create Export. After that, select your main Facebook profile, since Messenger is connected to it. Following this, tap on Export to Device, then tap on Customize Information. Next, tap Clear All to deselect everything, then scroll through and select only Messages and tap Save at the bottom. From there, go back and tap on Date Range. Choose a range that covers the period when your messages were deleted and tap Save. Moving on, tap on Format and make sure HTML is selected, then go back. Finally, tap Start Export, and you'll get a notification on your email once the file is ready. Once downloaded, open the Messages folder and check if your deleted messages are still there. Hope this helped you out. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Messenger tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.